Earn more today with these affiliate marketing tips. The basic way to explain affiliate marketing is to see it as a way of making money online and increasing traffic to your business by publishing a link on your website promoting a product, service, or site of another business. This can profit your business by bringing your commissions or reciprocal services. Watch out for minimum rates. Some companies will charge you a monthly fee, but that fee may increase if they do not get the amount of buyers from your website agreed upon in your contract. Read carefully to find out what these fees are, as they are sometimes not clearly listed. Even affiliates who know their way around marketing are going to have questions from time to time, so it is important to choose a service with a great customer support team. Avoid those companies that only offer support tickets and email options. Find a company offering telephone services and preferably live chat. Harness the power of scarcity in your endeavors. People respond to offers with time limits or with certain limited volumes. If you use a scarcity plan though, make sure to follow through. Your repeat visitors will see if you said an offer was for 2 days only and it's still up 2 weeks later. See if you can get exclusive bonus offers from the vendor to be able to offer to your customers. People love when they feel like they are getting something over what they are paying for. You will see more sales if you are offering just a little something more. Ask your vendor if they can provide a bonus for your customers and then promote it. It is hard, if not impossible, to find an affiliate marketing network that offers automatic long-term commission payments. However, the reward potential is still very good and not something you want to pass up. Affiliate programs pay commission to webmasters when products are sold. Generally, the webmaster only receives a commission if the customer purchases a product within a certain window of time. That is why finding a lifetime commission affiliate program is worth the extra time it takes. Do your research to avoid vendors that are running scams. There are quite a few vendors out there running disreputable business. Some of the most prevalent schemes are to have bad tracking software to miss your commissions or actually lying on your refunds to make it seem like you are not owed any money. Check into the vendor thoroughly to avoid the scammers. Always choose quality over quantity. Inundating your audience with a plethora of ads will only confuse them. Instead, work in a few affiliate graphics or links to items that you truly believe in. You can add extra links into the content of the page, linking the text to the specific item you want the reader to check out. As indicated earlier, affiliate marketing can be simple and effective. There are also many variations of this that can just as helpful and beneficial. By learning more about this concept, you can use these methods to benefit your business and to increase traffic to your websites and see profits increase as well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.